Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a low balance on Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into the Atlas online banking platform. That's the Atlas website, or you could log in your account on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you want to select the credit card account that you want to set up a low balance alert for. You can just select that from the account dashboard, and then you're going to click on account alerts, and then you're going to select the low balance alert option. Now there you need to review and customize the alert settings, such as the alert threshold as well as the notification preferences. So just go ahead and customize that, and when you're done, you're going to confirm the account alert settings and review the alert preferences one more time just to make sure that everything is accurate. And once that's done, you're going to receive low balance alerts on your credit card account, and you can review the updated account information whenever you like. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for low balance on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next